My husband and I have removed the bottoms of all of our shoes. We decided to start walking barefoot, and one of our followers had a great idea. Since some businesses don't want us being completely barefoot, if we cut off the bottom of our shoes, it'll allow us to be barefoot but blend in with everyone else. This is a huge commitment, but we were willing to make it. These are our favorite shoes. Our shoe collection is worth more than $20,000, but this is a sacrifice we're willing to take because walking barefoot means the world to us. The benefits of walking barefoot are priceless, so now our shoes are worth more than money could ever be. So today we got to work and started removing the bottoms. We weren't sure if this was going to be easy or hard, and it ended up being pretty easy. We made little shelves where our toes are and our heels are. We made a little lip on the bottom of the shoe where our toenails will go so they can latch on, so we'll actually be able to hold on to the shoe while trying to walk without the bottom. And we did the same thing for our heels. The experience of cutting off the bottoms of our shoes was very freeing and detoxifying, just like walking barefoot is.
So each to their own, yeah, no disrespect to anyone, but just a question. If you've gone to the effort of cutting out £20,000 worth of trainers just so you can walk barefoot, why are you even wearing socks? Why do you even own socks? It's a fair point though, isn't it? And fair play to you, but that's just mad. I wouldn't be doing that, that's crazy. Fair play on grasslands and shit, but not just walking around. And the shopkeepers are obviously not wanting you walking around barefoot for a reason, so I don't know, fair play to you.